Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your speaker 3mk Fuego. To make a hard reset, press and hold BT button. It's located here for at least 7 seconds.
3mk Fuego is disconnected.
We did it. Now the LED light is gone. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget the device, forget device. Now press and hold power button to turn on your speaker. And now it entered to prank mode because we can see that this LED light is blinking. And now we should see it at the device list. If you do not see it, like me, just press and hold power button to turn off your speaker. And now press and hold it again to turn on it. And now click on it at the device list.
3mk Fuego is connected.
And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!